craving for Filipino ice cream. So we went to this grocery next to the restaurant. Look at this po. Ube makapuno, mais. There's the makapuno. At sasarap po nito. Pero ito po ang pinaka-paborito namin. Ube makapuno. So we're getting the ube makapuno. So ito yung mga kinuha naming ice cream. Mango, melona, mango. This one is sweet corn, but this is also ice cream. Ube makapuno. And another melona. And this is, I think this is kind of a honeydew flavor. So ito yung total na binayaran namin for the ice cream. Ang dami po namin kinuha. I think it's about 5 different ice cream. So yung frozen ice cream bar na melon, that's $4.98. Yung sweet corn ice cream, $8.99. Magnolia ice cream makapuno ube, $11.79. Yung isa pong ice cream bar na mango, that's $4.98. At yung Magnolia ice cream na mango, that's $11.79. So, ang total po na binayaran ko is $42.63. So, pinakita ko lang sa inyo kung just wanna know if the price here compared to the price back home is the same po. So, yun lamang po. Thank you. Bye!